There have been a few minor updates to the Custom Data tab of version 3. There have been a few more rows added to the Custom EPD table, and a new column has been added for C3 4.1, C3 4.2, and component lifespan. This is to align with the updates made in the Scheme tab. Updates have also been made to the Custom EPD calculators, starting with the A4 calculator. The first thing to note is that the transport emissions factors have been updated for different transport modes. Focusing specifically on road transport emissions, the emissions factor is set to average laden, as this automatically incorporates the empty return leg into calculation. If you would like to include more accurate laden percentages in your calculations, for example, if you know the distance travelled at 50% laden, please refer to section 2.2.3 for how to calculate embodied carbon guide. The C2 custom calculator has been expanded to match the A4 custom calculator. There are now options to add sea, freight, air, and rail distances, and like the A4 custom calculator, the road transport emissions factor is set to average laden. If you would like to conduct a more in-depth calculation, please again refer to section 2.2.3 of the How to Calculate Embodied Carbon guide. The final custom calculator, which has been updated for the calculation of timber end of life C3 4.1 and C3 4.2 values. In the latest version of the tool, modules C3 and C4 embodied carbon factors are split between the C3 4.1 emissions and C3 4.2 transfers, which only relates to biogenic carbon. These separate values are then combined into a single embodied carbon factor, C3.4. This calculator will allow the user to choose between 4 different end-of-life scenarios for timber products. These are solid timber, treated coated timber, engineered timber, and wood panel products. Selecting the different options will change the ratio percentages in the calculator, which reflects the proportion of the timber product which will either be reused, recycled, incinerated, or sent to landfill.